If you are considering or looking to buy your next home in Mar Vista on the west side of Los Angeles, or perhaps you have a home to sell in the neighborhood of Mar Vista, or maybe you're just a long-term homeowner there and curious about what's going on in the marketplace, or a new homeowner that really just is excited about moving into the neighborhood and curious to see how well the neighborhood is progressing since they purchased, this is the video for you, my friends, as we're diving deep into the numbers and what they mean for you as a homeowner, whether you're buying, selling, or just interested in understanding where this market is going. Keep it tuned in. We're about to jump into that right. What's up, guys? Happy New Year. 2022 is here. Ready or not, I know I'm ready. I hope you are as well. We've got a fantastic video here for you today. We're jumping into these Mar Vista numbers here, and we're going to see exactly what they're telling us and what those numbers mean for you as a homeowner, what they're going to mean for you as a buyer looking to get into the neighborhood, especially during a hot seller's market, and how you as a homeowner who's looking to stay in the neighborhood can just stay informed and ask any questions you'd like. If you're new to the channel, super stoked to have you here with me. I'm Eric Haas. I'm an agent with eXp Realty here on the west side, work in the west side as well as the valley where I grew up, and I'm more than happy to help any way possible, and that is what this channel is all about, delivering tips, tricks, and strategies for buyers, sellers, and investors, and just letting people who live in the neighborhood know what's going on. So without further ado, let's get into these numbers, but before we jump into it, make sure you subscribe, comment, and like. And even if you comment with a hello, what's up, I'm joining in for the first time and checking out a video, greatly appreciate it. That gets it out to even more people who might be interested in Mar Vista and don't know it yet, or want to know more about it and just haven't found the right channels to find it. What a year 2021 was for Mar Vista real estate. Now, before we even jump into quarter four and see how it stacked up against quarter three, I want to see how 2021 stacked up against 2020, especially how we were coming out of a COVID market and how this market radically bounced back. So before we jump into quarter four and the numbers there, let's just see what 2021 looked like compared to 2020. And right out of the gates, there were 301 homes selling in 2021, and that is a 24% increase since 2020. Now, if we fast forward to our median sold price for 2021, that is up actually 12% to $2 million for 2021 versus 2020. Now, looking at the sales volume, this is insane. It is up 34%. Buyer demand is ever present still, has been the entire 2021, and looks like it's going to be the same for 2022, but 600 million in sales volume for 2021. That, my friends, is a lot of homes. Now, as far as our average price per square foot, for the entire year of 2021, that is up 10% since 2020, and we're at 1,057 for the year. Now, let's look at quarter three versus quarter four. Let's see how the numbers are stacking up and what kind of market we can look forward to in this 2022 quarter one market we're getting right into in January. So with the number of pending, sold, and active, we've got actives taking a plummeting hit since quarter three. We were at 33 homes for sale. It dropped 72% to only 9 homes currently available for sale in all of Mar Vista, all of 90066. What does that mean for you homeowners who are thinking about selling in 2022? That means you should be timing the market like right now, watching this video and getting your house on the market. There's no competition. There's no supply. Why are you waiting and listening to that little voice in your head saying, oh, well, everybody's coming on the market in spring and summer. That's when we should come on. Well, everybody else is coming on. That means more inventory for buyers to look at as opposed to looking at your home. So be smart. Leave me a comment if you're thinking about selling. I got the strategy to crush it in this market right now in January. You don't have to wait till spring or summer. Let's move forward. Number of pendings has dropped as well, unfortunately. 38% from 36 homes pending in quarter three to 22 in quarter four. Here's a nice breath of fresh air though, and this just shows that buyer demand is still ever present. The number of homes selling in quarter three was 79, and that grew 9% to 86 homes selling in quarter four. So buyer demand is still ever present. Sellers, this is the time to take advantage of that market. There's no supply. This is the time to come on the market, and we price it right, we crush it, get over the asking, and get you into the next chapter of your life. Now, Moving forward, we're looking at median list price, median pending, and median sold. This is the tell all of whether or not the market is moving forward still in the seller's market direction, or is it going to recourse back a little bit and give buyers the opportunity with a buyer's market, maybe some inventory picking up and whatnot. But I'm feeling it's going to be a seller's market yet again for 2022. Unlike everyone's been predicting about this bubble burst, the market tanking, it's very much strong in Mar Vista and the West Side for that matter. So median active price in quarter three was 2.2 million. Now, anytime the median price is higher than 2 million, I get a little worried about that. Sellers are getting a little too greedy. Fortunately, in quarter four, that dropped to 2 million by 9%. From 2.2 million to 2 million, that's a 9% drop. And let me tell you, that had a very positive impact on the median pending price for quarter three, which was $1,750,000. With that adjustment in the median active price, 9% from 2.2 to 2 million, we actually had an upswing with the pending median price in quarter four to the tune of 6% from $1,750,000 in quarter three to $1,850,000 in quarter four. Hats off to you sellers, getting right about your price. That is going to make all the difference. And then marketing, and then we crush it once we hit the market. Median sold price, fortunately, has had no change. So that means that a market is staying strong like it is been in 2021, and it's expected to do in 2022. The median sold price for quarter three was 1.9 million, and we're still right there for quarter four. So moving forward with low inventory, it's going to be a hot seller's market. I don't know if spring's really going to deliver the inventory for the built up demand that we're experiencing right now. But moving forward, average days on market took a little bit of an upswing, but only one day. It went from 20 in quarter three to 21 in quarter four. Our sold price versus our list price, which we want it to be over 100% because then we're getting over the asking price. So for quarter three, it was 102%. Quarter four was 102%. Still staying strong seller's market. I'm sorry, buyers. There are opportunities if you pay attention to those homes that have been sitting on the market or have had price reductions. Those are the ones to pay attention to. Don't always look for the newest and best thing to come on the market. Look for those homes that might fit the bill, that might be a little bit high in price, but keep an eye on them as they trickle down, and that's when you can grab them and still get a great deal. Now, if we're looking at the number of homes that went above and went at asking price and then went below asking price, which is not where you want to be, I'm happy to report that the number of homes going over the asking price was 39 in quarter three, and that has only continued to go upwards, 23% to 48 homes selling over the asking price in quarter four. What does that tell you? That tells you that not only were homes priced right, but it's also telling you that a lot of multiple offer situations are pushing that price and continuing to push that price higher and above what it was listed for, meaning that values in the neighborhood are still on the rise, unfortunately, for buyers. Now, with respect to the number of homes that have sold at asking, some reason, whatever it may be, a lot of the times the at asking is finding the number of homes being the same for quarter three and quarter four multiple times. So in quarter three, we had 9, quarter four, we had 9. This is something to pay attention to, the number of homes selling below the asking price. Yes, there are some people that just think that their home is worth what it is, despite what the numbers share with them. And as a result, they take it in the woo-woo and unfortunately endure price reductions and end up selling far less than they ever thought they would. But this number has gone down, which is great. So number of homes selling below asking price in quarter three was 31, went down 6%. We are in the 20s now, and 29 homes sold under the asking price in quarter four. This is smart pricing. I commend you, sellers. Great job. And this is the way to do it. There's no such thing as underpricing. There's countless examples out there. I'm more than happy to share them with you. Drop a comment if you're interested in seeing examples of how pricing it below market or at market, underpricing just doesn't exist. If you'd like to see some examples, comment below. I'll shoot you an email with some samples of that just to show you my point that it doesn't matter and it's going to actually be in your favor at the end of the day. If we're looking at highest sold, lowest sold for quarter four, and we also want to check out what's the highest active currently and the lowest active, we got to check it out right now. So currently our highest sold for quarter four, this is insane, my friends, 3983 East Boulevard. This is south of Washington Boulevard. It's a 4 bedroom, it's a 5 bath. I toured this house. It was absolutely amazing. It wasn't shocking that it sold literally in the first week. It was over 4,500 square feet, a 15,000 square foot lot, built in 2015. Let me tell you, my friends, this was priced on point, sold for 5.4 million, 400,000 over the asking price, which was originally at 5 million. Now the lowest sold home in the neighborhood was 12940 Gilmore. It was a 3 bedroom, 2 bathroom, just over 1,000 square feet. A small lot, 3,000 square feet, 1925 build, was listed for 1.3 million. And let me tell you, this is why price is so ever important. It's sold 200,000 less for 1.1 million. Now, if we look at currently what's available, if you were to come on the market, this might be competition for you. Highest active is 3452 Maplewood in the Wood Streets. These are normally 5,000 square foot lots, which this one is. It's a 5 bedroom, 6 bathroom. Somehow they fit 3,600 square feet onto this lot. Built in 2021. List price is 3.4 million. It's been on the market 32 days. We also have the lowest active, which is on a little bit busier street of Walgrove, 1838 Walgrove. This has been reduced once already by $50,000. It's a 3 bedroom, 2 bathroom, good size house with 1,500 square feet. But again, the lot size leaves something to desire with 2,500 square feet. 1957 build, list price is 1.4 million. Again, that's already taken a $50,000 hit. And days on market are 24. Alrighty, guys, I know that was a ton of information, but hey, when you got to deliver the value of what's going on for 2021 and Q4 and what it looks like with these numbers going into 2022, so you as buyers and sellers and homeowners and people who just moved into the neighborhood can be completely informed to make a decision to stay or maybe move into the neighborhood. I got your back, always delivering value. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. I'm always answering them, so don't hesitate to drop one thinking I'm not going to answer. I always answer. I'm happy to help out, whether you're buying, selling, or just have a question. But again, have a great one. Have a blessed week. And again, just remember, I'm always here for you.